There's pollen in the air.
No, there's been so bad allergies.
No. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, babe. I just sprayed snot on you.
Oh my god.
What, babe? I'm sorry.
What?
Yes.
What did you just do to me?
It's nothing but a little snot from your husband.
Marco, it's more than a little snot. You got my entire left half.
Babe, I'm sorry.
My entire body is covered in Marco's snot.
Babe, just take it as setting spray.
You blew my whole hair
For
to
your
the
makeup.
right.
I'm sorry.
Marco, I need you to get it off.
I can't get it off.
Honey,
How?
I'm asking you so kindly.
Oh, bro, I didn't know you were here. Wait,
Are you freaking serious, Brian? Who's back there?
No one's there. No one's there, Olivia.
Back there, right? Brian! Who's back there, Brian? Damn it, Brian!
I'm out.
Text your toxic girlfriend, leave my man alone.
Oh my gosh, here comes. Fuck.
Where the fuck is she?
Babe, I was just playing. I was just playing.
Bro, where the fuck is she?
I was just kidding. Oh no, fuck.
So I saw a video where somebody put chocolate in an orange and made somebody put their finger in it blindfolded. So we're gonna do this to my dad.
Ew, what is that, dude?
Open up.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking serious, jerk-off?
You did not put tomatoes in fried chicken.
What?
What the hell is this? I said fried
It's
chicken.
for the soup.
I said fried chicken.
So you're not gonna eat it?
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. What is
Yes,
that?
you are.
All right.
Guys, I was trying to be nice and let my girlfriend use my credit card all day, but look what she bought. I'm taking this back. Look at it. She bought a freaking Louis with my credit card. Please tell me that's it.
I also
Please.
got a MacBook!
Shut up. That's not real.
Yes,
Why would you buy that?
You gave me your credit card, so I thought it was okay.
Babe, that's already like
also got
$3,000 right there.
birthday.
What? What? A mouse for your MacBook. I am done. You're cut off, babe. I cannot believe you.
Driving to the gas station and not getting out to pump my own gas. He didn't even hesitate.
Aww.
What?
You gonna go pump the gas for me?
Yeah, why?
Thank you. Without me
I
asking.
always pump your gas.
Are you gonna put your money in it too?
Alright guys, I was warned not to do this prank, but we're gonna do it anyways. Hey babe, what are you doing?
Nothing wrong with
But why don't you get to cleaning then?
Excuse me?
Why don't you get to cleaning?
I know you're not telling me to do something right now.
Are you not gonna start cleaning?
No, I'm not gonna do that right now.
Okay, good, because I'm gonna do all the cleaning and I want you to go have a glass of wine and go relax, watch your favorite movie, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Listen.
Did you just sneeze on me? Ew, you just know the disrespect.
I'm sorry.
Why smell like that? Gross, baby. Come on. Taking the bus.
Huh?
Hey, Ma.
Hey.
Hey, Des broke up with me today.
She did?
Yeah, I'm bummed out. I didn't see it coming.
You didn't see it coming, huh?
No.
Oh, no, it doesn't surprise me because she kept saying how bad you were in bed.
No, I didn't.
Wait,
never said
what?
that. I've never said
You
that.
said that?
No, I didn't.
You didn't tell me she was there.
But I've never said
Why
that.
will you tell your
She's
mom
lying.
that?
I never said that. I never said that to anybody.
Are you serious?
So Mum has just discovered that our screen has touchscreen.
Wow, look at this, Joyce.
It's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Yes, brilliant.
Right.
Tom, yeah. Look, look at these.
What do you think, mate? Touchscreen?
Touchscreen. What?
Pretending to sneeze in my wife's face.
And then he told me something else.
What?
Sebas.
What?
Sebas!
What, babe? Babe, my
Did
bad.
you just sneeze in my face?
Babe, my bad, my bad.
No, Sebas, what's wrong with you? Do I need an umbrella here?
Babe,
To cover your mouth. Didn't they teach you that in when you were younger? La verdad que tus papás
Why you gotta put my
did
parents
not
into this?
educate you good, Sebas. You're supposed to cover your nose. This is disgusting. I did my hair today. That's
Babe,
nasty,
pero my
Sebas.
bad. I'm
No.
sorry, babe.
Now I'm full of mucus and I have to blend it in. ¿Qué hago, Sebas? Because if I wipe it, I take my makeup off. So when someone says hi to me, they're gonna say hi to your freaking sneeze, Sebas. Eso no está bien. Ay, no, yo no puedo contigo, Sebas.
Can you tell me why you bought this?
No reason.
He never used it.
How are you?
Good.
You know when you bought that silly string?
Yeah. Please don't shoot me right now. I'll make a mess of the computer.
Love you.
Oh, 50. Whew. Oh, jeez. I'm thirsty as hell. You want something to drink, girl?
No, what are you doing, Liz? That's gasoline, you fucking asshole. Child defect, I hope you do. Stupid motherfucker.
Doing the nasty prank on girlfriend.
What the fuck?
What?
Bro, I thought you were doing something else.
Just cleaning the shoe.
I found my husband like this.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing?
Nothing.
You know you sleep on the bed, not underneath
I'm
it.
trying to get under it because I was gonna do a scare prank on you, but I can't fit. My butt's stuck.
Fail.
This is one way to get your man to stay in one place. Alright, I'm gonna go out with the girls now.
Look what I caught her doing.
I'm by myself. He in the room sleep. So you already know what that means. It's prank time. Alright, y'all. So let me tell you the prank that I'm doing today. Bleaching my boyfriend's clothes. Y'all, he's gonna be so sick, I promise y'all. Like, I'm gonna get all his clothes, the blacks, the everything. I'm gonna get it all together and I'm gonna bleach him. He gonna cry, he gonna scream. I don't know what.
And what else you gonna do? What else you gonna do? What you gonna do? What else you gonna do? You was trying to prank me? Huh? It's prank wars, huh? You ain't tell me to initiate it. Guess what? There's no limits to this. Watch what I do. Don't go to sleep.
I was just gonna wash your clothes.
Don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep.
What the heck are you doing in my house, huh?
Prank. Relax.
What are you doing?
Why?
Because you're just my type.
I better be.
Whoa! Morgan, was that an earthquake? Or did you just rock my
Oh
world?
my god, that one's stupid.
Hey, Morgan. Suppose I gotta make a phone call real quick. Mom, I'm looking at the girl of my
Are
dreams
you
right
really
now.
calling your mom in a pickup line, Luke? No, you need to listen here. I don't care. I don't care if you're above me. I'm a grown woman, and so is Brayden.
Who are you talking to?
No, yeah, he's right here. He said he'll knock you out.
No!
Dad, I'm so serious. He just said that he would knock you out. Your dad. He said, come over here, old man.
What do you want me to
No, you can't do that. He said that he'll beat you to it first.
No, Mr. McBride, I don't know what she's talking about. I promise
No.
you that's not the case.
That's what he said. He said, no, you don't want to come over here.
No.
You're on your way? Okay. See ya. Bye.
Texting my girlfriend saying someone flirting with me.
Saying someone's flirting with me. She's gonna pull up. I know she is with her crazy ass. What the fuck? Bro, what? What is wrong with you?
Where is she?
Where is who?
Where is she?
Who?
The girl. Where'd she go? Huh?
Got your dumb ass. Ain't no. Hey babe, what do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator.
Really? An investigator.
What? Stop.
You're so funny.
Stop. Hey babe, why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they'd be bagels. How do trees access the internet? They log in.
A tree. It's not a log. It's a tree.
What would you do if you seen my ex in person?
What would I do?
Yeah, what would you do?
I'd be like, yo, I got the receipt right here.
Where did you get that?
I got the receipt right here, and guess what? I paid extra for you not to come with attitude. But you came with a lot of attitude. I don't know what happened. I want an exchange or a return.
Exchange or a return?
I don't
What is
care.
this?
I don't care if
How
I
you
get
gonna
money
return me?
back
Where did you
or
even get that
struck with it.
receipt?
I don't even want it.
How does this have my name on it?
It has Michael Leslie written
How does this
right
say my
on it
name on
because
it?
I paid for you.
You pay? How much you pay?
I paid for you, and now I don't want you anymore.
How much did you pay? Damn, fuck out of here.
Hey babe, I have a new trend for you. In the next 20 seconds, if you don't say nothing, I'll give you this $20. Did you hear what I just said? So you understood what I said. So what did I just say?
You said if I don't.
Ah, but you just spoke.
Babe, that's not fair.
No, you just spoke. That's it. That's it.
Dropping my Latina girlfriend at a random house.
Where are we at?
Who the fuck lives here?
Babe, nobody lives there. Calm the fuck down.
It's one of your fucking hoes, huh?
It was a fucking accident.
Fucking drop me off. I wanna see who the fuck.
Babe, what are you doing? Where I'm driving? What the fuck? Babe!
Someone's getting the smoke.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ow! Stop! Stop! I slipped! Fred, stop it! Stop it right now! Let go of me now! Stop! Let go! Oh! Ah!
So this happened.
Will your mouth still remember the taste of these nuts? Got it!
So just the other day, Jessica and I are going at it, right? She's screaming at me, give it to me, I'm getting so wet. There's no fucking way I was giving Jessica that umbrella.
Babe, I'm home.
Who is it?
It's me! God damn! Ah, my head!
You made me throw our food.
Do you guys see this wallet right here? Okay. That's my wallet. What do you want for Mother's Day?
A wallet.
Why?
Because I need it.
Do I need a wallet?
You're not me.
You're just being needy.
And you knew that when you met me. I don't honestly know what you want me to say.
You can have her back, boys.
Hey, Kate, Kim.
Excuse me?
Hey, Kim.
Who the fuck is Kate?
No, I didn't say Kate.
You said Kate.
No, I don't know Kate.
Who the fuck is Kate?
I don't know who Kate is. No, Kim.
I'll
What are you
show
doing?
who fucking Kate
No,
is
Kim.
in a second. Swear
No,
to God.
no, ow.
Andrew!
Okay, what's the problem?
Stop it.
Just tell me what the problem is.
The key won't come out.
Why won't the key come out?
I don't know.
Put your foot on the brake. Put it in park.
Why didn't you?
So you know I have small boobs, right?
Yeah.
So I talked to a doctor, and I think I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna get the double D's. Oh yeah! Big double D melons, baby. That's exciting. I'll drive you. We can go early. You're not getting anything, are you?
No.
Are you mad? We'll just forget this happened.
I'm not gonna tell y'all again to get these rings picked up. I swear, these kids just don't even listen these days.
Time to wipe. Bye-bye germs. What the heck?
Oh, hold on, no. Sorry, I was just super thirsty randomly.
Suspicious AF.
What? That we have 2 kids together. We swapped a hell of a lot more than...
Hello.
My grandpa walked by OMG.
Drink it.
I'm good.
Drink it! What just happened?
Hey babe.
Yeah.
There's this new filter on TikTok that shows you what really cute, adorable animal you look like.
Oh, really? Let's
Yeah.
see.
All right, check it out. Ready?
Oh my god! So cute! Alright, my turn. Let's see what I get. Let's see. What the hell is that? I don't know why you're laughing. TikTok, you got me messed up. You got me messed up.
It's
you get
payback
gas
time.
today, did you?
Yeah, why?
You might want to go look at your car.
Did I leave the thing? Did it break off?
Look at that face though.
It didn't.
What is that? With the pump in it.
So thank you. Have a good day. Do I return it? Tell me.
Were people waving at you?
No!
And this is where she starts to
My gas
rationalize.
was paid for. I stopped it. Throw in the trash? I don't know. I'm sure they have extra. It screws on, obviously.
So Alexis is trying to return a pump right now that I actually took from work. Oh, she's gonna be so pissed. So pissed when I tell her. What'd they say?
Literally, he was like, pumps you already got. Stop fucking filming me.
Oh, I should let you know.
funny.
Hold on, I should let you know. That was all a prank.
I'm officially dead.
Your shoes, I love them. They're so nice.
Don't say shit to her. I got it. Thank you. They are nice because I bought them because I'm his girlfriend, okay? So you don't need to compliment him on shit.
Hey,
What?
you see my phone?
No.
Okay, now I found my phone. Let me see.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You're not even using the bathroom, bro.
I was
What the fuck was that? What's in your hand? What the hell is in here? Give me your phone. Give me your phone. What the fuck you in here doing? Give me your damn phone. Give me my phone. What you got going on up in here? Give me my phone. Well, unlock this, motherfucker. Unlock this. No. Unlock this right now. Are you in here texting other boys? You're not even pooping, bro. You sitting right here with your jeans on.
Mom, I think I'm on my period.
Why do you say that?
Because I'm craving ice cream. I want to stay in bed all day like you.
Jaden, you do know that only girls get their periods, right?
Mom, that's not fair. I want to have my period too.
Okay. What if every month when I get my period, we order pizza, we watch movies and stay in bed all day, and we get ice cream wasted? How about that?
Yay!
Bold filter on
They wanted a
girlfriend.
part 2.
No.
What?
No. No, I
They
got
said-
roasted on the last one.
They said you look like that one character.
Who?
It's really important.
Okay.
I need to tell you something.
Oh shoot, hold on, you're recording too? Is this actually baby number 3 now? Oh my god, baby.
No.
We're gonna have baby number 3.
No, I'm not pregnant, babe.
Then why are you recording?
I have to tell you something.
Oh, little girl so bad.
The reason why I'm sitting you down is
the whole thing right now about Germany, it was a prank.
Lies. Smell that?
No prank.
It's not Jaden. It's lies.
We're not moving.
Then why'd you let me go down and tell your grandpa we were moving?
That's not what happened. You know how I translated for you? I was actually telling him a story about how we bought another puppy.
You said that we were, I told you to tell him we're gonna search for houses, that we're gonna do all this stuff. Search for a house, shave for a house.
No, that means German Shepherd, babe.
Oh, my life's a lie. My life's a lie.
Look at my cooking my food. Hey, I didn't say it. I didn't say it. I have respect for you and I love you.
But you thought it.
It doesn't matter. I didn't say it. I respect you. I love you. And I would never call you that. Look at my princess. Because I know if I said it, you would kick my ass.
You almost did.
I would never mess up like that.
What are you doing? I don't trust you. I don't trust this.
You're going to hold your hand out and you're going to guess the stuff that I'm putting on your hand. You're going to have to figure out what it is.
Okay, but I don't like it.
Alright, so first.
I don't like it. Ah, scared. Like a bouncy ball.
Well done. Next.
Is that my nail file? That's very painful.
It is. It is. Well done.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay, and last.
Sam, what are you doing?
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
You imbecile. You're just giving me a heart attack.
Baby, what's the difference between a nice girl and a good girl?
What?
Nice girls blush when they watch porn. Good girls smile because they know they can do better.
Farting then telling my girlfriend I pooped.
Please, bro. I told you we should have went to the bathroom. I think I might have pooped my pants. Don't be loud.
I literally just said, wait for the freaking airplane. We're about to get on in like 3 minutes.
I think I pooped my pants. Now I have to stand up. I need you to...
Bro, you stink.
It's how you gonna act. Didn't I just say quiet?
You're doing too much. Why are you sitting on me? You're a grown man and you're wearing white.